Hello. I don't want to mention the name of the student, but this is for everybody that is also in similar situation. Yeah, my name remains Tayo Stephen, founder of Starry Good Academy, your cheerleader to become the next chartered accountant come November 2023. So you are going to become the next chartered accountant if you are already in professional level and you want to put in the work. So you become the next chartered accountant after November 2023 if you are not already in professional level and you also want to put in the work. So this great student of ours says that she need advice. She wants to write 3 papers simultaneously, and then that we have our 30 days challenge that says you can cover one paper in 30 days if you follow the 30 days challenge or the 30 days blueprints. Now the question is, can I do that for 3 papers instead of 1 paper? And then she went on to say she is a career woman. She's working. She's also a nursing mother. That means she's a wife. And she has some home domestic duty to also do. So these are my response. First and foremost, these students, you are a great student. And as a mother, as a wife, as a career woman, and as an ICAN student, you are a super mom. So even a man is not in the condition you are. The fact that you are a nursing mother or you are a mother, you are still nursing children, and you are also keeping the home makes you a super mom. So this is my sincere advice. And for everyone who is in this similar condition, you see, ICAN is not necessarily a sprint; it is a marathon. So what's the difference? ICAN is not the exam you say, I want to finish now, I want to finish now. Even when you know that the condition you are is not going to help you do that. It will lead to frustration. So what would be my advice? My advice is this. As a mom, look for an house help. If you can, look for an house help, right? Well, I don't know whether you are comfortable with that idea where an house help will come, because there are some house help that will come and snatch somebody's husband. So if that's the situation with you, avoid that. But house help doesn't have to be a lady. It can be a man, right? And house help doesn't have to live in that house, right? So have somebody, maybe somebody that is a school site holder or somebody that you will pay to come to your house and cook for you. Cook your meal. Put all your meal, cook food inside your freezer. But don't be the one that will be cooking every day. It takes time, right? Eliminate that. Then also take your clothes to the laundry. Except you put it in the washing machine washes it and you dry it. Then take them to the laundry. Let somebody else iron it and pay the person. What I'm telling you, I do them. If you have a car, pay somebody in your office to be washing your car for you. Don't be the one that will wash it when you are at home. Then lastly, let it be that it's only your children you are taking care of, and of course your husband, right? So when you eliminate all these other things that I've spoken about, you find out that you will be less stressful and you will have time for study. So that's one part. 2, make sure that you write you look at your timetable and then address all this. Where do you have time? So if you do what I've just said, you create some time. But if you cannot create that time, then my sincere advice is don't do more than 1 paper. If it is only 1 paper you have time for, do it. It's better you do 1 paper and pass than for you to do 3 paper and fail all of them. That's why I say ICAN is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And for marathon, it's a long journey, but as long as you keep running and you keep moving, you don't lose your energy level, you will get to the end goal. So that's what I would say. Your children are growing, they are part of the blessing you have prayed for. Your husband is there, is part of the blessing you prayed for. Your career is there, is part of the blessing you prayed for. All these things now, they are not hindrances, they are not limitations. They are all blessings. And you will become chartered. It's also another blessing. So let everything go hand in hand. Don't let one delay the other. So cut time where you can cut time. And if you are in the office, also, and you have colleagues, you have people, if you like, tip your colleague to help you do part of your job. Tip them. Don't just ask for help for free, tip them. There are colleagues that will do your job for you if you pay them to do it, so that you can have time, and then you can oversee what they have done, and then you go back to your boss and present it that you are the one that have done it. After all, your own boss is doing the same. All the job that all of you are doing, your boss is presenting it to his or her own boss as his own accomplishment. That's the way it is. So let me know if you still have any other question that I've not addressed. And if you are listening to this and you have question, please ask. We want to address your specific need, specific issues, because in my opinion, everybody that is listening to this that have the desire can become a chartered accountant. ICAN is not difficult if you give it what it needs. All right, thank you. My name remains Tayo Steven. Have a great day. I remain your cheerleader. Comes November, I want to celebrate more success with every one of you. Every one of you. I want to celebrate your success. Thank you. Bye and out.